wanted any part of love, I'll leave it to the God above my head. But that pretty girl had a different plan, she wanted me to be her man instead. And called me a liar and painted black, I don't think I'm coming back from this. Her kiss. Lock it down, throw away the key, and pray that she doesn't run away from me, I guess. We ain't going down, I'll lift you off the ground, and you'll hear those bells sound one day. And it won't end in shame, I don't think there's a game, and darling, I don't want you to see your heart is safe with me. Your heart is safe with me. Well, how do they pluck us other Soulbrings again with you with hopefully another interesting song, another one from Bryan, for all you Bryan fans, another unreleased version of a song. This one's called Safe With Me. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key that he has performed it on his unreleased version. Okay, so what you heard there was basically an intro, a verse, or a couple of verses, and a chorus, and basically he just repeats more of the same, more verses, more choruses, okay, with different words. So let's get to it. It's a nice interesting song, this, some openish chords which are quite nice. So we're starting off with a basic E chord, and we're sliding it up to an A sus2, which is basically, if you're holding the E chord, you just slide it up to the 6th and 7th fret. All the other strings are open, just like they are with the E chord. The top E string, the B string and the bottom E string all open. So the first finger is on the 6th fret of the 3rd string, and these two are on the 7th fret of the 5th string and the 4th string. Should sound like that, A sus2. Okay, so, and it just goes backwards and forwards on the intro on those two, so it's... And if you like, if you can get that, keeping the pressure on when you slide, you can slide. It's quite nice. He does that, I think, on his recording. Nice and slow, don't rush it. And then there's an optional there's a second guitar comes in and plays a bit of lead work, and it's most of it. I've got most of it in. So you just strum the chord, the E chord, then put your pinky up to the 4th fret on the 4th string, the D string. Hit that single note if you like. Then play that, hit that 1st fret on the 3rd string. Okay, so you've got, so far, a couple of these. Then you do that lead bit. As far as we've got, then play the open 2nd string, and then just put your pinky on the 2nd fret on the 2nd string, the B string, and then open again on the 2nd string. Right. You can do partial chord if you want with it, so that would be, okay, so go from 5 down to 2. Hit that 2nd on the top 2nd string, and then the E chord again. Okay, so far. Then back up to that A sus2 again. One more E to A sus2, and he comes with the singing. Never wanted any part of love. Right, and it stays on that E now for 2 bars or so, yeah? So you got the intro? So the verse, E, never wanted the God of love, I leave it to the God above. Then the A sus2, head, back to E. So that's never wanted the God of love, leave it to the God above my head. Next line. But a pretty girl had a different plan, she wanted me to be her man. A sus2 instead. B, another one exactly the same. You call me a liar and painted black, I don't think I'm coming back. A sus2, this, back to E. Her kiss. Again, lock it down, throw away the key, and pray that she doesn't run away from me. A first, back to E, I guess. Right, and we're going into the chorus. Okay, so all the way from the beginning. Yes, slowly. So intro. The verse. Never wanted any God of love, I give it to the God above my head. But a pretty girl had a different plan, she wanted me to be her man instead. You called me a liar and painted black, I don't think I'm coming back from this. Her kiss. Lock it down, throw away the key, and pray that she doesn't run away from me. I guess. We ain't go right. So it stays on that E after the end of the first verse for a couple of bars, okay? Where it goes on me, I guess. We ain't, right? And then the chords are going down, I'll lift you off the ground. Right, so all that is, it's this. I'm playing 5 down to the top E string. I'm not playing the bottom E string on this bit, okay? And it's a C sharp minus 7 is the chord, C sharp minus 7, but it's played with some open strings, okay? So you've got first finger playing the 4th fret of the 5th string, the A string, and the 3rd finger and pinky playing the 6th fret of the 4th string and 3rd string, the D string and the G string, open B string, 2nd string, open top E string. So 5 down to 1. So C sharp minor 7. And all you do is you take it down 2 frets, same shape, down 2 frets. So the first finger's now on the 2nd fret of the 5th, and these two are on the 4th fret of the 4th and 3rd strings. Again, open top E, open 2nd string, open top E string. 5 downwards, up to the 5 down to 1. Okay, that is a B sus4. Okay, so you've got C sharp minus 7 down to a B sus4. Then we play an A sus2. So that's an A chord without the pinky. Open 2nd string. 2nd on the 4th, 2nd on the 3rd. 5 downwards to an E chord, straight to forward E chord. So it's like, we ain't going down, I'll lift you off the ground. Sort of goes with the chords, it goes with the words, yeah? You ain't going down, I'll lift you off the ground. Repeat, and you'll hear those bells sound one day. Just 2 lines, exactly the same, yeah? So coming out of that, the end of the verse where it goes from me, I guess we ain't going down, I'll lift you off the ground, and you'll hear those bells sound one day. Okay, it just repeats the same again now, and it won't end in shape, and I'll think with love's a game. And darling, I want you to see. Stay there. Stop. Heart is safe with E to A sus2. Yeah, A to A sus2. Yeah. Just the same chord you use in the verse and the intro. Okay. And then you're off into another verse and another chorus. And then there's another chorus and finishes. So it's got another verse, two choruses, finish. Okay. But you've got everything there you need to play the song. So we'll just go through the whole thing again once through the whole thing as I've done the demo, yeah? So verses, intro verses and one chorus, and then you'll have everything you need to play the whole thing. So here we go. I never wanted any part of love. I leave you to the God above my head. But a pretty girl had a different plan. She wanted me to be her man instead. Cornmeal hair painted black, and don't think that I'm going back from this. Her kiss. Lock it down, throw away the key, and pray that she doesn't run away from me. I guess we ain't going down. I'll lift you off the ground, and you'll feel your sound one day. It won't end in shame. I don't think this love's a game, and darling, all I want to see. Your heart is safe with me. Your heart is safe with me. Your heart is safe with me. So there you have it, boys and girls, my take on Zach Bryan's unreleased song Safe With Me for a single acoustic. Okay, hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.